top inside Edo today. Obaseki don approve 2020 public service promotion. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don approve 2020 promotion for the public servants as effort to take ginger the state government workers. In a statement where them titled New Year Message to Civil/Public Servants for Edo State, the state head of service Anthony Okunbowa talk say the state government they put ongoing effort to make sure his dream of making the public service of Edo State the best come to pass. Oga Anthony talk say the transformation and enhancement project wey Godwin Obaseki start tanda gidigba for ground. Him also talk say the state government dey pursue the mandate to enhance efficient and service delivery for the civil and public service. Oga Anthony talk say the government move to improve on top the work environment remain very important for the Obaseki-led administration as human capital development go dey continue to receive the utmost attention of the state government. Okunbowa come sama salute to Governor Obaseki on the ogbonge work wey they do for the public service. This one na the ogbonge information we carry come give una on top inside Edo today as Obaseki don approve 2020 public service promotion. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information come sama una. My name na Innocent Eikwemen from Benin.